My name is Dana Elliott, and I am here to continue to show you the wonderful things that you can do to organize and customize your NetVibes page. I know that Erin has filled you in on the different social networking widgets that NetVibes has to offer, like Facebook and Twitter, but these comprise only a portion of the widgets available, and there are more options that I will talk to you about. I will be focusing on the widgets that I feel are more useful to the library NetVibes page, however. For example, I will show you how to link different email accounts to your NetVibes page, which is useful for those Ask the Librarian feature that many library websites have these days for reference questions. I will also show you how to add different news sources to your page so that you may stay well informed on current events from your favorite source of news. You undoubtedly don't want to be a librarian out of touch with what's going on, so these widgets will certainly help you and your coworkers keep track of current events from one page. I will also show you some widgets that are essential for every library NetVibes page. Finally, I will show you how to create a bookmark list on your page so that things like the library catalog or the American Library Association webpage are instantly available to you and your fellow librarians from your own page. There are certainly many more options in regards to widgets, so feel free to explore on your own. But without further delay, let's go on our NetVibes page and add some widgets. Hello and welcome back. This is my NetVibes page that I have created, and now we're going to find some more widgets to add to my already numerous collection of widgets here. So what you do is you go up here to add content. Now the first thing we're going to do is add my email address again. So I have Gmail, so we'll just go ahead and type it in, click enter, and here are all these different Gmail accounts here. So I chose this one, I already added it in. You could add in any of the major internet email providers, Yahoo. Caroline could certainly add in her AOL account should she so choose to do so. And you can even add in more than one account so that this way it'll all be streamlined on one page that you and your coworkers can all access. So it'll keep the workload down and it'll be far more easier to access it and to do whatever you need to do. So let's go ahead and start adding some news sources. What I would recommend is go to Browse Categories, click on News, and you will get all sorts of different options. Over here you get LA Times, the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, USA Today. One that's not on here that I would highly recommend is Wired. So again, you would just go over here and type it in. And what Wired does is it is a technology news source, and it tells you the different trends in technology, and it tells you what's going to be coming out soon and what people are going to want to use, what people are using now, what people are no longer going to use soon. And you're just going to very much want to stay abreast of that subject and know what's going on in the technology world so that you can better help your patrons. And here you have different Wired sources on here, so just choose the one that works best for you. Next, we're just going to search for the American Library Association. You never know what can show up, so just type in whatever you want. Now I know for a fact that they do not have an American Library Association widget. It says, sorry, your search American Library Association does not match any widgets. Now, they did not make fun of you, they did not call you names, they did not kick you out of the site, so feel free to search whatever random keywords you would like to search. You never know if they'll have what you want. And then the last thing with widgets is going to be just typing in library. A fairly open-ended search term. And here you have all of these different widgets. You have the Library Journal. It gives you reviews of the Library Journal and articles in there. And the Library Journal is a publication from the American Library Association. You may want to keep up to date on what's going on in that particular publication. Here's another Library Journal. Then you also have the Unquiet Librarian, which is a blog that different librarians contribute to. It may be something that you want to keep in mind. It may be something that you want to keep updated on. There are 19 pages of different things that match our library key term. You never know what interesting things could be in there. So go ahead and just type in your keywords and search, and you never know what you can find that'll be interesting and useful for you and your coworkers. Finally, I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks. Now, you obviously have a bookmarks bar at the top of your page. Some browsers, you have your main bookmarks across the top. But maybe you just want it all streamlined in your one page with your email and your social networking widgets and all of your other widgets that keep you up to date on the news and all of that. So what you're going to want to do, and what I did, was I clicked on Help. And you end up with this page, and after looking through it all, I realized what I wanted is what is an RSS feed. So you go here. This page will load. You go down again, I read through it all, and using your web browser, bingo, click on this link, and you get these different options. I personally use Firefox, so I would go to the Firefox extension. If you don't use Firefox, go to this extras, and there'll be an option in there for you. But for these purposes, I'm just going to go to Firefox. Install Add to NetVibes v0.8.3. So you're adding a toolbar to this area up here, and what this will do is it'll add these two little buttons to your toolbar up here. And what that allows you to do is go to any web page, for example, the Michigan Library Association. And when you're at that page that you would like to add, you just click on this yellow button, and what'll come up is it'll allow you to either make it a private page or make it a public page. You'll probably want to make it public. It'll allow you to add a description. So for example, maybe a brief description of the website, and then you click OK. Then you can go back to your page, and you can see, just scroll down, you'll see this, and it'll show you all your favorite pages and all the pages that you and your coworkers use on a daily basis. So thank you for continuing your tour of NetVibes with me, and I hope you continue to learn a lot. Thank you.